I'm sure we all know how banging the FINO PITTA is. Nando's, I'm coming for you. I'm going to make the best FINO PITTA. Alright, so we have our chicken thighs and we'll go ahead and season with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of dry thyme, 1 tablespoon of cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and then you're just going to combine those flavors together. All the chicken should be looking like this. We will now make our caramelized onion relish, and that is going to consist of 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan, 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the pan, and then you're going to make sure that heats up, and then you're going to add your chopped onions to the pan as well. So I only use 1, so you only need 1. If you want to make more, then be my guest. It tastes really good anyways. So next we're going to add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar into our onions. This is going to make it really nice and sweet. And then we're also going to add 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar. So the white rice vinegar, you don't have to add this in. I usually prefer red wine vinegar, but I didn't have it, so we're going to go with white rice. So I'm happy for you to take it out at this point, but I prefer it slightly more cooked, a little bit burnt and crispy, nice and sweet. It brings out all the flavors. So when it gets to this stage, I take it out and I drain all the excess oil. So our next step is we're going to put our chicken into the pan. If you have a grill, then excellent. I sadly don't. But if you have a grill, make sure you're cooking your chicken for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you're frying it, make sure you're frying it for about 10 to 12 minutes, probably like 6 minutes on each side. Just make sure everywhere is cooked very, very well. It's gonna be so nice and juicy. After 10 to 12 minutes of cooking, you are now done. Just move your cooked chicken to a plate and we're gonna make our halloumi cheese. So I'm just putting this in my Ninja Foodie on a grill setting for 7 minutes. It's gonna have a lovely crispy golden brown color. So now we're gonna make our Peri Tamer. I didn't really have measurements for these, but I went about 2 parts barbecue sauce, about 1 part ketchup, and then I went about maybe 2 parts of honey. I think you can just keep adjusting to how good it feels for you, and then you're going to keep adding splashes of water until you get the texture you want. I kind of went for the texture of a Peri Tamer, which is quite runny, so yeah, I was very happy with that. So now it's time for the assembly of our FINO PITTA. I have got some FINO PITTA here from Nando's, and we're just going to try and recreate what we have in this pita right now. So since you've got some caramelized onions in there, I'm going to put some caramelized onions in this pita. So I've got 1 piece of this type of lettuce right here. Don't forget to wash it also. Guys, look how good this halloumi cheese came out. That's why I put it in the grill. Wow. Just going to spread that into the, I don't want to break the bread. And we've got our chicken. Oh no, we're breaking bread here, guys. Chicken thighs. It's got some Perinaise here, which is literally just Peri sauce and mayo. Nando's. And Khads cooking.